They better go to the hospital right away. They have somebody over here, a child who might have been bitten by one of these monkeys. So I'm not going to get too close. If they were bitten, they should get to the hospital quick fast, don't you think, Jeb? What's this called, Jeb? Khao Lommuak, Khao Lommuak. Got some monkeys here. I believe one of them just bit somebody. They might not get much closer than this.
ขวา2อ่ะมันเป็นตัวที่ว่าขี้ระแวงอยู่แบบว่าพอเวลาแบบขออาหารแล้วแบบเนี่ยตัวไหนนะครับเนี่ยตัวนี้
They're cute, but they can be dangerous.
No, the one with the white hair. The glasses though. The one with...
Wonder if they would come closer if we had to.
You might not want them to come too close.
Or you would just want to throw it
Yeah,
there.
but we were attacked by one in... my wife here opened the snap.
Yeah. You cannot eat it.
Took it out of her hand. No way, no.
Great. Red, yellowish, orangey, reddish, whatever that color is. You just like to climb, huh? And to jump up here.
Good life, wouldn't it?
Look what it do.
But it does. Elana, stay away, please. Oh no, I didn't see him jump up there.
Mama, they have done one leg.
One leg? Look at it one.
Und es sind so schlau, dass die Boxen drücken. Müssen wir schnell leicht sein. Guck, eine Huhn. Was ist denn das da laufen? Der Papa ist drüben.
Okay, now it's jumping. That's funny.
Whoa.
Can you do it again, please? Hush.
Elana.
And now he's doing it again.
It's hungry. The baby changed color. Where is it? 3 weeks.
How do you know? Did you ask somebody?
Yeah.
No, didn't they say 3 months?
Week.
No, the baby's been born for 3 weeks. Takes 3 months.
3 weeks change color.
Well, let's not fight about it. Within the first few months it changes colour, yeah?
But it's only the one that's a rascal.
A rascal, you say? These are strong words.
A
But
rascal will change color?
No, I mean the one.